to add a new place in Life360. Alright, so what you have to do firstly is this up. Then once you put this up, you have to scroll down. Then once you scroll down, you have to click on manage places. Just click on that. Now from here, you have a few options right here. You have to click on the first one where it said add a new place. You just click on that. Now from here, you have two options. So you could search the address or you could put a location name. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click on the locate on the map. Then once you click on locate on the map, it should take you around your house or like wherever you are right now, like your current location. So you're just going to pick a place. I'm going to click on this place right here, Valley Steam, Random Park. I'm going to just click on next. Now it's going to give me an option to choose a name. So I'm going to delete this real quick. And for the name, I'm going to say food place. Now you're going to have to click on this add button right here, this plus button. Just click on that. Boom. Now you just add a new place to your Life360 circle. If this video helped, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching the video.